Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we will talk about the Digibyte price. The price changes occur in Digibyte, and I'm also talking about the latest in urgent update of Digibyte. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And this video will also discuss the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, last 70 price changes occur, what's the price and what is the next move of the Digibyte. We also show you friends. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And friends, remember that if you're new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe every Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Now friends, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently this time price of Digibyte. 0.144657 USD dollar is this time price of Digibyte. And if we talk about the price changes occur in Digibyte, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in Digibyte is gone wrong friends. Why they fast down friends? Why Digibyte fast down over and over fast occur in Digibyte? Let's see the price chart for more details. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart. Over and over fast occur, as I told you, that only and only fast occur in Digibyte. And I think that after some passage of time, there is a chances to they take a jump friends. What's your opinion? They fast down for in the future, they fast down for the next 2 hours or 4 hours, and after some passage of time there is a lot of chances to they take a jump friends. That's my prediction friends. As you can see, the last 1 hour, the 24-hour price changes, negative 6.43% changes occur in Digibyte in the last 1 day, and the highest price of Digibyte is about 0.157187 USD dollar. It's the highest price of Digibyte DGB coin and the last 1 day friends. So what's the prediction? My prediction is that, as I told you in the start of this video, that Digibyte falls down in the next some hours, and after some hours, that's only my prediction, that's only my recommendation, that's only my suggestion, that after a fast some hours there's a lot of chances to they again take a jump. And I hope that this jump is a continuous jump of Digibyte throughout this month friends. What's your opinion about Digibyte? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends.